The VA loan program. The rules to the VA loan program are often adjusted or modified by legislation, making changes to the program and accommodate changes in the industry. Hey guys, I'm excited for today's episode, which will be going over the VA loan program. There's been some pretty awesome changes to the program, which will benefit our veterans. One of these changes was the Blue Water Vietnam Veterans Act of 2019, which is also known as House Resolution 299. And it addresses a variety of Vietnam era, Korean War era, as well as Gulf War era issues associated with the VA medical claims. A couple of the changes of this law include items in the bill such as the removal of the VA loan limit for approved transactions, a slight increase in the VA loan funding fee, and Purple Heart recipients are now exempt from the VA loan funding fee. So wait, if you didn't catch that the first time, let me say it again. The ceiling on the VA loan limit has been removed. Never before has the VA removed the upper loan limit. So for San Diego residents, this is an absolute game changer. So how does the 2019 Blue Water Act affect VA home loan benefits? The Blue Water Act amends existing VA program guidelines with changes designed to expand maximum guarantee amounts for purchase, construction, as well as cash out refinance loans. And as of January 1st, 2020, there's no upper loan limit on the home veterans wish to purchase using their VA home loan. Loan limits still apply for veterans with one active VA loan, and only partial entitlement is available for those who have defaulted on a previous loan. A higher VA loan funding fee. So starting in 2020, the VA loan funding fee is on a sliding scale, which is the lowest fees reserved for first-time VA borrowers and higher fees for those who have used the VA before. So prior to the new VA law, VA loan funding fees for active duty veterans purchasing for the first time were set at 2.15%, with a higher fee for subsequent use set for the same active duty buyer set at 3.3%. Under the new law, the VA loan funding fee for an active duty first-time borrower has been increased to 2.30%, and subsequent use fee has been set to 3.60%. The Purple Heart exemption for VA loan funding. The VA loan funding fee is an expense associated with VA loans, which veterans must pay unless they receive or are eligible to receive a waiver for service-connected medical issues. Veterans awarded the Purple Heart are now exempt from paying the VA loan funding fee. I hope you're as excited as I am about the changes made to the VA loan program. If you need more information on these changes, or if you have any friends or family members who happen to be veterans and are considering buying, let's chat. I'd be happy to review your individual situations and talk options. Thanks again for tuning in to our episode of Money's with Mario. I'm Mario Albañez, signing off.